Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tea vending machine. First, let's outline the project. Consider the machine's capacity, perhaps for 500 milliliters of water, and whether it will use instant tea or brew fresh. Think about adding features like separate dispensers for sugar and milk. Also, plan for the power source, often a 12-volt direct current supply, ensuring all components are compatible for a smooth operation. Next, let's gather the essential components. You will need a small water pump, a heating element to warm the water, and a temperature sensor to maintain the ideal brewing temperature. Secure separate dispensers for your tea, sugar, and milk powder. For the brains of the operation, a microcontroller like an Arduino Uno is perfect. Finally, include a user interface with a small liquid crystal display and a few push buttons for user interaction. Now, let's move on to assembly and plumbing. Securely mount your water tank, pump, and heating element within the machine's enclosure. Connect silicone tubing to guide water from the tank, through the pump and heater, into a central mixing chamber. Position the ingredient dispensers directly above this chamber, allowing them to drop ingredients precisely. Double-check all electrical connections, ensuring they are properly insulated and safe for operation, preventing any short circuits. Finally, we tackle the wiring and programming. Connect your microcontroller to the water pump, heating element, temperature sensor, and all ingredient dispensers. Upload the control code to manage the heating cycle, precise ingredient dispensing, and user interface interactions. Calibrate the machine to dispense exact amounts, such as 2 grams of tea and 5 grams of sugar per serving. Conduct thorough testing to ensure every function works correctly and safely, providing a perfect cup of tea every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.